Hey guys, this is Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sailandski. Today I want to show you the 2020 Harris 230 Cruiser Single Lounger. This boat is awesome. So one of the things that'll really stand out is the two-tone fencing. So we have the ebony black with the accent silver color, and just really pops on the fencing. And then as we move inside, you'll see the single lounger in the back. So this flip-flops, and so because of the rails and chain, you can actually be seated underway. It's considered within the boat. And in that back area, you have this massive storage area. So if you have deflated tubes, wakeboards, floaties, fenders, you name it, it's going to fit in that back storage area. And really, when you're hanging out, that's kind of where you want all your goodies to be. And then getting in and out of the boat, it's a breeze. You have a 4-step ladder with the 2-step top, making it easy for everyone to get in. Real easy to read gauges. This boat is rated for 12 people, so bring your family and a couple more families, and just a ton of room throughout. And then another thing you'll notice, this is a tri-tune boat, and not just a tri-tune, but a full-length center tune, and is powered with the Mercury 4-stroke 150 horsepower motor. So with your ski tow arch, you can do really all the water sports, skiing, wakeboarding, and obviously the tubing as well. And then you do have a depth finder that you can see through the Lowrance electronics. But a really great boat. It's going to be something that you can do everything on the water for a real affordable price tag. Another thing you'll notice on this boat is the double Bimini. So on a nice day, have full shade with the boat, or if you're cruising at night, have those both closed and spend the night under the stars. So we've looked at the 2020 Harris 230 Cruiser Single Lounger, powered with the Mercury 4-stroke 150 horsepower motor. Thanks for watching this video. Again, my name is Scott Isaacson with MarineMax Sailandski out here in Lakeway. We also have 2 other locations, one in Austin off Highway 183 and one down in San Antonio. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats, feel free to give me a call at 219-2712. Again, that's 512-219-2712. Thanks again.